I'm now going to show you how entering an abnormal blood result can trigger an adverse event. So here I am now, I've gone into the day 3 visit where you'll see there's only one CRF and far fewer requisitions, one of which is the monitoring biochemistry. I've already done the requisition here, so I'll just add in the result. Click on add, link to the requisition and the report date and time. I'll just enter in the creatinine. Let's say that that's normal at 60. Is that abnormal? No. Is this reportable? Well, the answer to that is not applicable. So if the result was abnormal, yes. Is it reportable? No. Grade 3, 4 are already reported. So these 4 options only apply if the result is abnormal. So if it's a grade 1 or a grade 2, then of course you would click no, it's not reportable, but you're acknowledging that it's abnormal. Similarly, if it's a grade 3, you tick, grade 4, you tick, and if it's already been reported and you don't want to generate another adverse event because you already have one for that abnormal blood test, then you would click already reported. Here I'm saying that my creatinine is normal, but in the interest of brevity, let's go to the potassium. I'll say that my potassium is 1.9 millimoles per litre. That's abnormal, and I'm going to say that that is reportable, and it's a grade 4. So obviously I'll enter in the other parameters. Go down to the bottom to the conclusion. Are any of the above results abnormal? Yes. If any results are abnormal, are they within grade 3 or above? Well, yes, I've said that. If yes, this value will open the adverse event form. So let's save that form. And then we're taken back to the dashboard, and you'll see that now I have this alert here which says submit initial AE report. So that's triggered directly because of the blood result. It's also possible for me to trigger off this process without a blood result if it's because of a clinical process as opposed to just a lab defined one. And now I'll show you how to fill in this form. Click on AE initial report. You'll see here that when you click on the action item, it tells me why it's been generated, and that's because the potassium is 1.9, which is less than 2, which means that it's a grade 4. It's asking me to complete the initial AE report. If I couldn't remember exactly why that was saying that, I can go back to that previous blood result and it will take me there, and I can review it myself and say, oh yes, I recall entering a potassium of 1.9. And then what I want to do is I want to click on the AE initial report and click on that.